Okay, I'm reading Pirate Mad Libs, and this one's called Pirates and Sea Monsters.
Okay.
It was a pesky night, with fog so clumsy you could barely see your hyena in front of your bridge. The only sound was the groan of the tired scab and the soft wind, which seemed to whisper, "Chew, chew." Suddenly, buckets shot out of the ocean like fish on the 4th of July. Bang! Pow! They grabbed for toes to bring down to the bottom of the sea, to Davy Jones' locker. The dreaded nail clipper monster, Chio, was as big as a giant finger, and it smelled like rotting whiskers. I hid inside a sushi and squatted as the monster sucked the belly button right off one of my shipmates. I was scared out of my lobster, and my shoulder almost stopped beating. But, lucky for you, I escaped with my gray hair and lived to tell the tale.
Yay!